BYD, the global leader in new energy vehicle manufacturing, proudly unveils the Dolphin Surf to UK drivers, marking the 8th pure electric model the brand has introduced in Europe in under 3 years. The Dolphin Surf is purpose-built for urban environments, measuring 3,990 millimeters in length, 1,720 millimeters in width, and 1,590 millimeters in height. It's ideally sized for navigating tight city streets and fitting into small parking spaces. At the front, sleek headlights with 6 sharply angled LED strips and integrated daytime running lights lend the Dolphin Surf a futuristic edge. The creased lower bumper and horizontal lines create a broader, more confident stance. The rear continues the bold aesthetic with a full-width LED taillight bar, a rare feature in this segment, and a roof spoiler that extends the roofline, enhancing both visual appeal and aerodynamic efficiency. From the side, a clean, single-arch silhouette maximizes interior space, while a pronounced body contour gives the car a sporty, energetic look. The Dolphin Surf comes standard with either 15-inch or 16-inch alloy wheels, depending on the model. Despite its compact exterior, the Dolphin Surf offers a generous 2,500 millimeters wheelbase, matching many larger vehicles and ensuring ample comfort for all 4 passengers. Inside, the cabin balances fun and practicality. A streamlined dashboard houses a centrally positioned 10.1-inch rotating touchscreen, offering BYD's latest user interface. Key features include a customizable shortcut bar, 3-finger gesture control for climate settings, and standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Dolphin Surf boasts an impressive 308 liters of boot space, expandable to 1,037 liters with the rear seats folded, outperforming many vehicles in larger segments. Every variant comes equipped with vehicle-to-load technology, enhancing its suitability for active lifestyles by allowing the vehicle to power external devices. The BYD Dolphin Surf offers 3 powertrain options, all driven by a front-mounted motor. The active model pairs a 30 kilowatt-hour battery with a 65 kilowatt motor, accelerating from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 11.1 seconds. The Boost variant uses the same motor but features a larger 43.2 kilowatt-hour blade battery, offering longer range and a 0 to 62 miles per hour time of 12.1 seconds. The top-spec Comfort combines the larger battery with a 115 kilowatt motor, achieving 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 9.1 seconds. DC fast charging is rated at 65 kilowatt active and 85 kilowatt Boost and Comfort, allowing all models to charge from 10% to 80% in just 30 minutes. 11 kilowatt AC charging is standard, providing a full charge in 3.5 hours active or 5 hours boost and comfort.